Hello and thank you for joining in today's presentation, Omron Touchless Sensors for a Safer Society. In this presentation, we will go over how Omron has adapted their object detection sensor series, the B5W sensors, to work for hands-free application. These applications have become a growing need for many manufacturers due to the outbreak of COVID-19. My name is Cary Horan, and I'm the Product Marketing Manager for Sensors and Modules at Omron. I've worked in the manufacturing industry for the past 7 years, and for the past year and a half, I have been working at Omron in their sensor group. In this presentation, we will go over the background of why we choose to target touchless applications, an overview of the Omron B5W sensor, and how the B5W sensor has been adapted to use in touchless interfaces. At Omron, we develop products on a component level, and recently we have focused much of our energy on the coronavirus and relating applications. The virus outbreak has greatly impacted all of us in not only our day-to-day operations, but also in how we must adapt in large-scale operations where many people may be interacting in a given space. As you can see by the chart here, the virus continues to spread, causing us to continue to be mindful of our personal safety. All of these changes that we are seeing in manufacturing are motivated by growing concerns for safety, cleanliness, health, and social distancing. As we move forward, we must consider how to implement safety and cleanliness on a larger scale. Of course, as we brainstorm how to approach this, we consider how we can develop commonly used products to better adapt to concerns of a COVID-impacted world. Already, companies and product developers such as Omron have been forced to seek new solutions for existing products or even develop entirely new products to suit these needs that have arisen. As it stands now, several of our products have been developed or are currently being developed to address these health concerns. The Omron B5W optical sensor is used for object detection, including the human hand for touchless applications. This sensor is high performance, which means it is capable of detecting any object ranging from black opaque to the human hand to even transparent objects in the case of packaging applications. Moreover, Omron engineers have worked to ensure that the sensing stability remains consistent across the range of detectable objects. The performance of this sensor is unaffected by surface color, material, or reflectiveness of the object. This is shown on the graph in the lower left of the slide. As you can see, Omron has tested a wide range of objects with the B5W sensor, and the readings remain consistent for glossy, black, white, and transparent objects. Omron is continuing to improve these products and even release newer versions to continuously improve these specifications. In the middle, we demonstrate the basic working principle of this sensor. The LED light and detector project outward and intersect, forming a diamond-shaped sensing area, highlighted in purple. Any object that passes through this area will be detected by the sensor. It's worth noting that there is a void space in between the sensing area and the sensor itself. This space allows for material to be mounted over the sensor in order to protect it from moisture or residue, as well as allow for a cleaner design if the customer requires this. It is highly recommended to use a clear material, such as glass or plastic, to limit the effect to the sensor capabilities. While it is possible to use a tinted or colored glass, it is not recommended, as this could limit the sensor performance. On the right, we see the optical lens technology that has been implemented to this product. Omron's engineers have developed the lens and lighting makeup for the sensor to allow for a highly accurate viewing angle, ensuring consistency and accuracy from part to part. This way, the customer can remain confident in the sensor's ability even across large volumes of parts. Here we have a table of our new product specifications. These are the latest in the line of sensors that Omron has developed in our light convergent reflective series. In addition to improving the sensing capabilities of our analog output type sensors, we've also added digital output type sensors, including a super miniature design for compact solutions. To offer a solution to the cleanliness needs of manufacturers, Omron has continued to develop its B5W object detection sensor series. Nowadays, it is crucial to adapt to a hands-free society in order to promote a cleaner and safer environment for patrons, employees, and guests. So Omron has ensured that these sensors can work in such an environment. Using this optical sensor technology, we can implement designs for a safer and cleaner interface for users. What we see here on the right is just one of the many things Omron is working towards to make this a reality. Using our optical sensor paired with an LED display, we can not only create an effective product for hands-free interfaces, but also allow for a sleek and modern design that can even be customizable towards certain interactions. We can see by the animation here that the user can actually activate the switch without coming into contact with any surface. And the LED display can change in order to indicate that a person's touch is read effectively, even when the person's touch isn't actually coming into contact with a solid surface. At Omron, we offer a wide array of low energy sensors to fit this need. We have further developed this technology to suit the growing safety concerns of the population due to COVID-19. While the aerial switch is currently under development, the technology behind it in the B5W series is already available. These low energy sensors are ideal for smaller applications and controls. Thank you for your time in listening to this presentation. If you'd like to stay in touch with Omron Electronic Components or see a line of our other products, you can visit us online at components.omron.com, where you can sign up for our monthly new product newsletter. You can also email us at components@omron.com. Be sure to follow our LinkedIn and YouTube accounts, where we post new information on all of our products.